Last year, I went solo traveling, but nothing could prepare me for what was to happen next. Disaster. I was experiencing freedom for the first time. I had money, I had time, and I had my health. But then all of a sudden, I lost it all. I spent the last 12 months getting it back, clearing my debts, paying my dues, squashing my pride. But now I have a new challenge, and I'm taking you with me. Six months to 100,000. Good afternoon, folks. It is Monday, the 2nd of the 2nd, 2026, 2nd of February 2026, and this is my check-in. Just finished the gym, hit a quick leg session, and yeah, boy, my legs are kind of feeling it still. My results for last month, I'll show you. This is the tracker that I've got for myself and the students. But January's results last month was, as you can see here, plus 6.5% on funded accounts and minus £60 on my flip challenge. So let's get into things for this week, and hopefully we can have a nice month of the month of February. We've got 4 full weeks of February. So 4 full weeks of making it happen. And this month I'm clear. I've got everything patterned. I've got my copy trader. I've got my strategy. I've got my edge. I've made my refinements from last month. And so I'm expecting it to be a very, very good month this month. So stay tuned and let's see what we've got today. New York session done. No trade for me today. I've been on the charts. I've been looking. There was actually a setup on gold, which I missed. I was going to take it again, but I didn't take it. Let me show you what it's looking like. All right, so the setup was literally in here. Okay, so this would have been my entry in here. I could have got a re-entry here. I didn't see this, by the way, but I could have got a re-entry here, but I didn't take it. And the reason why is because I was bearish on the dollar. So I was looking to go long on Euro USD, and I was also looking to go long on GU as well. And so that's why I didn't take the short position from gold. So yeah, that's the situation that we're in. Obviously, I probably should have taken this because I didn't get a setup on anything else. But it is what it is, man. No trade today. See you tomorrow. Yo, good morning. It is Tuesday, the 3rd of February, and I'm just about to get in the gym. I feel so glad that I'm able to give you a check-in today. So my mum drove to the gym by herself today, and so I've got some time with you guys. Now I'm joking. I'm running slightly late today, so, well, not late, but about 5 minutes behind. But today I'm hoping it's going to be a positive day. Quite annoyed that I missed that gold trade yesterday. I'm not too sure if it would have went to hit the full TP, but it still would have been at least like a 1 to 3, if anything. And yeah, let's take some trades. I need to bear in mind, obviously, for trades like that, for my gold one that I'm not too sure about, I will likely take on my burner account. You know what I mean? That's the point of my burner account, to take trades even if I'm not 100% sure that I wouldn't, and if it's a trade that I wouldn't take normally on my flip account. So yeah, that's the plan today. Let's get in a trade, let's make some money, and yeah, let's win the day. See you online. I took a loss because I wasn't too sure what my rule was, whether or not it was to take a trade based off of 2 sessions being swept, or to take a trade based off of a session and the day low or high being swept. And so I took the trade because I was unsure. I only used like half a risk, so I only was 0.7% on my burner account, and it hit stop loss, which I'm not too fussed about because it still gives me leeway to be able to place another trade today. And it looks like it's going to my zone to give me a setup. Let me show you. As you can see here, this was my setup. It had taken out on the Asian low and the London low, which was about here somewhere, and then obviously given us this. That should have been my entry there, but it didn't. And because it came back up and it closed slightly above, I decided to take the trade. But there's 2 4-hour fair value gaps on either side, so that's probably where I want to be taking my trade from. So let's see if we get it, and yeah, I'll let you know. Okay guys, so yes, we got to set up and stop Rico, and it's at the low of the day, and I got a setup, and it was beautiful, and I set a buy limit, and it was on my flip account, and it was on my instant funded account, and well, yeah, let me show you. Yes, my friends, as you can see, this is the current situation of this trade, and this is the current situation of this trade. So didn't tap me in, but what can we do? I'm gonna wait to see if I get a setup on a different currency pair, but that's the situation right now. Okay, so that trade would have hit take profit, as you can see. Obviously we missed the tap in, but I'm also in a couple trades up here, or a couple positions should I say, on my burner account, with my stop just beneath this level here, just beneath this order block. Total risk about 0.7%. So yeah, I'm holding the trade, and let's see where it goes. And we got stopped out. Oh, I'm done on that burner account for today, and yeah, man, that's it. Oh guys, you know what just happened? So price came to tap me in on what my original entry would have been, and I thought I had deleted my limit order for my flip account, which was copied onto my instant funded. And so I took the trade, a couple positions on my burner account, because again, it's my burner account, right? Don't get me wrong, I'm possibly over trading right now, and I am over trading, but I'm not risking crazy amounts. The total amount of risk on this trade is about 70 pounds, so 0.7% again. But what happened is that I didn't delete my limit order, so I'm in on the trade on my 250 flip account. But here's the catch: it didn't tap me in on the trade that was copied onto my instant funded account. Now, this is probably not making sense to you, and there's a lot of stuff going on right now, but basically I'm in on my flip account, I'm in on my burner account, and yeah, it just didn't copy over to my instant funded, which is a shame. So yeah, man. And the trade's in profit. Okay, so the trade just hit TP on my flip account, right? So we're up to £214.98, I think. So happy days on that side. I'm holding the trade on my other accounts, so we'll see what happens on that side. So yeah, flip accounts made profit for today. I'll take that. And yeah, let's see what else happens. And we just completed the profit target for phase 2 on my burner account. Gee, yeah, baby. Nice take profit hit. We made like 8% on that one trade. And beauty. So yeah, now I just need to complete the minimum trading days. I've got 2 more minimum trading days that I need to complete. And then yeah, that's another account that I need to add to my copy trader, because we going live, baby. Yeah. Is that how February's doing me? Is that how the start of February is doing me? Yeah, let's go. Yo guys, it is Wednesday the 4th of February, and today we're going to the gym. I don't usually go gym on Wednesdays, you guys should know this already, but I'm going to the gym today, and that's just because I won't be able to go on the weekends. So I'm going to do a quick arm session. I'm doing it by myself today, hence why I can record in my car, no one's here. And yeah, that's the vibe. So today the plan is to complete another minimum trading day for my burner account, and obviously to spot a trade. Ain't nothing change, you know, same thing, different day. So that's the vibe for today. How am I feeling? I'm feeling sensational. So I'm maybe gonna bust out in vocals today. Yeah, I'm blessed today. I'm highly favored, and I'm grateful, and I'm thankful, and yeah, today is gonna be a great day. Today is gonna be a great day. What else can I say? Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you for New York session. Okay, so I'm in on a trade on my burner account. I'm only risking £20. Again, I'm just trying to qualify for the minimum trading days, so whatever. The reason why I didn't take this trade on the other accounts is because it's not 100% a setup. And we have news in 30 minutes. And the Asian low hasn't been swept, but the daily low has been swept. And as well as the daily low, obviously it's taken out of London as well. So that's 2 confirmations, including my daily low, which is the main one. And the second confirmation is my actual entry criteria, but let me show you what I mean. So usually you guys know after the sweep, I would wait for price to pull back, give a little pullback and fail to break this low, and then push back through and give us an entry, which would have been on, I don't know if you could class this as an order block. But there isn't really that pullback move there. So this is why I didn't take the trade. However, there was some sort of rejection here. I don't know if you can see this candle. The price came up and it pushed down. So that's the reason why I've took this entry and I've classed this as an entry, but it's only on my burner account. So it's not a great entry, don't get me wrong. And I'm alright to risk it because I basically passed the account anyways. I'm just qualifying for minimum trading days, you get what I'm saying? Alright, so there was a setup on Euro USD as well. And I didn't take that on my flip account just because news is coming up in 18 minutes. But let me show you it. It's pretty simple. The daily low has been taken. Price came up, rejected down, and then it's pushed through this order block. And obviously body close above. That would have been my entry there. So yeah, but news in 17 minutes. So let's see what happens. All right, so we've been stopped out. And yeah, that was the results of the news, as you can see. But that's a minimum trading day complete, which I'm quite happy about. The Euro USD trade, by the way, it would have been flying in profit. Let me show you. As you can see here, almost went the 1 to 2. But again, I didn't take that trade just because news was coming up and I didn't want to risk it on my proper account. So yeah, man. And yeah, like I said, the GU trade, it was a risky trade anyways. That's why I only took it on my burner account. And yeah, other than that, let's see what else have we got in store today. Let's see if I can get another setup on GU. If I do, then I'll take it on my other accounts. If not, then yeah, that's it, done for the day. All right, we just got out of the gym. What did we train today, Grandad?
Back.
We trained back today and done a little bit of biceps. Mum's here as well. Where is she? She's still coming. Chop, chop. What did we train today, Mum?
Training was amazing.
Okay.
We smashed
There we go. We trained back today. And yeah, man. So just finished the session. I need to complete one more minimum trading day for the account, basically. So whether or not that's a loss or a win, I don't really care. But I'm just trying to get the trading day in so I can complete and pass the account today. It's NFP tomorrow, so I'm a bit cautious. I think there's red folder news today. So we'll see what proper trades are actually there to be taken on my real account. So yeah, let's see how it goes today. And yeah, by this time tomorrow, I should have another funded live account. So I'm in on the trade on my burner account. I'm literally risking maybe £6-7. I still got $20. Like, but I'm over the target by, and I've taken trade, and there's a setup, don't get me wrong, but it's not my full setup. It's not the sweep of the daily low and session low and so on and so forth. But there's an entry setup, so essentially a setup based off of my entry. Let me show you. As you can see here, nice downward movement. Price came up to this level here, kind of rejected out of this order block, and then obviously pushed up through. And yeah, it wasn't a close above this order block, but this came up, and yeah, I basically counted this area as my entry area. And yeah, that's why I'm in on the trade and just targeting this high, which is 1800. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm not fast stop loss or take profit, but I thought let me at least take a decent trade which has a chance of going to take profit. So yeah, just like that, TP hit. So yeah, now I guess I just gotta wait to see if the system updates. Hopefully that counts as a minimum trading day. And yeah, because I made profit as well. Just need the system to update. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But there's bare news today, I can't lie guys. So I don't even know if I want to be taking proper trades on my main accounts anyways. Like I said, NFP tomorrow. So yeah, you know the sitch. I'm in on a trade and it's giving me all of my confluences, but it's still not a great quality trade. And I say that because the 4-hour candle has just opened. And obviously when a candle opens, it goes the opposite way first before going in the move that it should go in. And so basically I'm entering in for buys, but that's just the first upward movement of the 4-hour candle. So I'm expecting for it to swipe and for me to get taken out. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the 4-hour candle. So I've entered in for a buy position. I don't know if you can see that line. That's my long position. And obviously this is a nice sudden movement down, but I'm expecting based off the 4-hour time frame for price to probably drop into this order block here on the 4-hour. So this is the reason why I'm not too, keen on this trade. Even though it's giving me my setup, as you can see, price is rejected out of here, come up, giving us a candle close above this level, and yeah, that's the zone. But yeah, it's not looking too good, guys. So I may close the trade if it comes back up to my entry, but we'll see if we get enough volume from this move. There's also news in 45 minutes as well on a US dollar. So yeah, let's see what happens. News in 2 seconds. Oof. Ouch. That was a big drop, boy. That was not nice. Damn, son. Damn. Looking like it's going to stop loss, baby. What's good, peeps? It is Friday, the 6th of February, 2026. And I didn't actually know that it's not NFP today. It's actually been postponed due to government shutdown or something like that. I don't know what Trump's doing. But nonetheless, the trade yesterday, it went TP, but I closed out at 1 to 2. It was literally, I was in the trade forever. Literally, I closed out at like 12:30 last night. And if anyone knows of if you've ever been in a position where you're holding a trade for long, holding a trade overnight, it just plays on your mind. You end up having dreams about trading and it's just long. So I closed out at 1 to 2 and it went full TP this morning, 1 to 3. So yeah, that's kind of the situation. So my accounts are both up. Well, I say they're both up. My instant account is probably on minus 0.9%, which ain't too bad, considering there was a trade that I took earlier on in this week that didn't tap in on my instant, but I tapped in on my flip account. So yeah, that would have been an extra 2%. So I would be in profit on the account this week, but nonetheless, we move. So that account is on minus 0.9%. And my flip account, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I made £18 on that trade. So that would put me up to about £232, something along those lines. So yeah, man, not too bad. Made about £42 on my flip account this week. So quite grateful. All of my accounts are up. Just waiting for the 2-step funded account, the live account, to be sent to me so I can add that to my copy trader. And once I've done that, we're rolling, man. We're rolling, and February is going to be a good start to the year. Honestly, a good month and a good start to the year. So I'm grateful, man. It's Friday. I don't really want to trade today because last night, I just had enough. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. My eyes are fatigued right now from looking at the charts, but nonetheless, we move. I'm about to get in the gym, so I'll see you soon. All right, just about to hit a stop loss. Just like that. And we out of the game, baby. Oh, crap. I forgot there was news in 30 minutes. Oh, well. Stop loss hit, minus £25 for my flip account and minus 1% for my instant funded. Oh well.